In the vast and infinite expanse of the universe, where stars are born, live, and die in a cosmic dance that spans billions of years, there exists a singular, profound truth. The universe is far larger and more mysterious than we could have ever imagined. It's easy to feel small when you consider the scale of it all. Yet, in 1995, with the aid of one remarkable piece of technology, humanity took its most daring leap into the unknown. This is the story of the Hubble Deep Field, a cosmic discovery that forever changed how we see ourselves in the grand tapestry of existence. For centuries, the night sky has sparked wonder and awe in the human soul. We have gazed upward, dreaming of what lies beyond. And then, in 1990, humanity launched the Hubble Space Telescope into the heavens, an instrument that would forever alter our understanding of the cosmos. Floating far above the atmosphere, free from Earth's distortions, Hubble allowed us to peer deeper into space than ever before. With each image, the telescope revealed the intricacies of our universe, the swirling clouds of star-forming nebulae, galaxies in their majestic spirals, and the haunting remnants of stars that had long since exploded. Yet, despite these spectacular images, something was still missing: a true window into the deepest reaches of time, to understand the very origins of the universe itself. In the winter of 1995, a small group of astronomers proposed an ambitious and audacious plan to focus Hubble on a seemingly empty patch of sky. This was no ordinary region, but a part of the cosmos that appeared dark and featureless, a mere speck of the vast heavens. It was a gamble. Was it worth looking at the dark, empty corners of the universe, where no stars or galaxies seemed to shine? The answer, as it turned out, would be beyond anything they could have hoped for. They named it the Hubble Deep Field, and what they uncovered would astonish the world. What emerged from the depths of this seemingly blank patch of sky was nothing short of a revelation. The once dark and empty space transformed into a glittering sea of galaxies, each one a distant world in its own right. Thousands of galaxies, spiral, elliptical, irregular, each one more ancient than anything we had previously witnessed. They were galaxies formed not millions of years ago, but billions, with light that had traveled across the universe for nearly 12 billion years to reach Hubble's eyes. This was a snapshot of the universe as it once was, a frozen moment in time. We weren't just seeing the present, we were seeing the past. Images of galaxies as they existed when the universe was only a fraction of its current age. In this small patch of sky, Hubble had opened a window to the very birth of the cosmos. Each point of light in this image is not a star, as one might expect, but an entire galaxy, a swirling collection of billions of stars, each with its own planets, perhaps even the potential for life. Some of these galaxies are so distant, their light had been traveling for billions of years. When this light first left these galaxies, Earth had not yet formed, and the universe was still in its infancy. Many of these galaxies were in the midst of intense activity. Some were colliding, merging in spectacular cosmic fireworks, while others were birthing stars at rates never seen before. It was a reminder that the universe is dynamic, always changing, evolving, and growing. These galaxies were not fixed in time. They were in the process of becoming something more. What we were seeing was not just the galaxies themselves, but the very forces that shaped them. These distant objects held the key to understanding the formation of stars, the birth of galaxies, and the fundamental processes that would eventually give rise to our own Milky Way and, perhaps, even our own solar system. The Hubble Deep Field was more than just a photograph. It was a profound scientific breakthrough. This image was a treasure trove of information that would shape the way we understood the universe. By analyzing the light from these distant galaxies, astronomers could deduce the conditions that led to the formation of the first galaxies and the evolution of cosmic structures. What was particularly remarkable about the deep field was the glimpse it provided into the most distant regions of the universe, regions so remote that they revealed galaxies in their earliest stages. Here, scientists could study how galaxies evolve, how they merge, how they form new stars. They could also observe the gradual expansion of the universe, a phenomenon that is still ongoing today. The deep field was more than just a snapshot. It was a key to unraveling the history of the universe. It was here that scientists made a groundbreaking realization that the universe was far older, far more complex, and far more interconnected than previously thought. The Hubble Deep Field provided conclusive evidence that galaxies had been forming and evolving over cosmic timescales, far earlier than anyone had previously imagined. This image sparked a revolution in the field of cosmology. For decades, scientists had speculated about the early universe, about what the first galaxies might have looked like and how they came into being. The Hubble Deep Field provided the answers they were looking for. Every single galaxy, star, and cosmic structure in this image told a story about the universe's past, and perhaps a glimpse into its future. The research that followed the release of the deep field spurred new discoveries, challenging old ideas and confirming new ones. It ignited new theories about the origins of galaxies, about the mysterious forces of dark matter and dark energy, and about the fundamental mechanics that govern everything from star formation to cosmic expansion. The Hubble Deep Field shows us the universe in a way we've never seen before. But perhaps the most staggering thing about this image is its scale. The deep field represents only a tiny fraction of the entire sky, just 0.0004%. And yet, in that minute section of the heavens, thousands of galaxies were revealed. It was a humbling reminder of just how vast the cosmos is, how much remains to be discovered. Beyond the deep field lies an infinite number of galaxies, many of which we may never see. The sheer scale of the universe is almost incomprehensible, and yet, we have only begun to scratch the surface. For every galaxy revealed, there are countless more that remain hidden, waiting to be uncovered by future explorers. The Hubble Deep Field, tiny as it is, shows us a universe teeming with life, with activity, with change. It demonstrates that the universe is not static. It is alive, it is growing, and it is expanding outward beyond our wildest imaginations. The Hubble Deep Field is more than just an image. It's a symbol of humanity's boundless curiosity, our desire to understand the universe, and our unyielding quest for knowledge. It shows us that, even in the darkest corners of the universe, there is light, there are answers, and there are mysteries that beckon us to explore. Through the eyes of Hubble, we have come to understand that the universe is far older, far more beautiful, and far more intricate than we could have ever imagined. The deep field is a reminder that there is always more to learn, always more to discover, and that the journey of exploration is one that will never end. The universe is out there, vast and waiting. With each discovery, we get one step closer to understanding the cosmic forces that have shaped everything we know. The Hubble Deep Field opened a window into the universe's past, but it also pointed us toward the future, toward new questions, new revelations, and new mysteries that await in the uncharted depths of space.